Hello, I am Alexa Vanilla, and today we're going to be making pancakes. It's 5 in the afternoon, but it's never too late for pancakes. So the first reaction that happens while making pancakes is the leavening reaction. So pancake batter contains baking powder, which then releases carbon dioxide gas when heated. These gas bubbles then expand, which then make the pancakes light and fluffy. Pancakes are a good example of chemistry because they contain many reactions when baking, such as gas formations, protein changes, and browning reactions. So we have these two bowls. This one's going to be for the dry ingredients and this one's going to be for the wet ingredients. So in this one we are going to combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and in this one we are going to whisk the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla. Now it's time for our wet ingredients. In starch gelatinization, the flour contains starch, and when it is heated with liquid, the starch absorbs water and thickens, forming the body of the pancake. Now, the dry ingredients are now mixed, while now we have to whisk the wet ingredients. This is now what the wet ingredients look like after being whisked. We will now put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and then we will gently mix them together. We will now mix them with this spoon. As I slowly started gently mixing the two ingredients together, it slowly started turning into this mushy sort of substance. So these are the two ingredients now fully mixed together and ready to cook. This is the pan that I will be using, which we will then put on medium heat and we will lightly grease it with either butter or oil. So we are now using the butter instead of the oil. We will now pour some of the dough into here. It is cooking as of now. This is the pancake after being flipped. So when cooking pancakes, protein denaturation occurs. The eggs in the batter contain proteins. When the pancake cooks, heat causes these proteins to unfold and solidify, helping the pancake keep its structure. And finally, the Maillard reaction occurs when the pancake cooks on the hot pan. This reaction between sugars and proteins creates the golden brown color and delicious flavor of pancakes. So this is how the pancakes turned out, and again, the first reaction is the leavening reaction, the second is protein denaturation, the third is starch gelatinization, and finally the fourth is the Maillard reaction. With these chemistry processes, this shows that pancakes is an example of chemistry in everyday life. Thank you for watching.